Videos we are discussing here the problems based on number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Yes. Now look at this and also see some results here. First result. Let us take the help of Venn diagram. If A and B are two finite sets, then let us see here A, B are considered. A minus B and B minus A are shaded here in two different colors. Now A intersection B is shaded as a pink color. Okay, there are three different colors and there are three different representation also mentioned here. Now number of A is same as number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B. Look at there, correct? Number of A, this complete this set is nothing but sum of this plus this. Yes. So now look at this. Number of A minus B, I can write it as number of A minus number of A intersection B. So it is one of the important result I can use. So similarly, number of B is number of B minus A plus number of A intersection B. You can also say here number of B minus A if you want. It is always number of B minus number of A intersection B it is. Yes. Number of A union B is can also be written as number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B. Remember, complete this A union B can be written as number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B plus number of B minus A. Correct? So, this is one more important result. You have to remember it. Okay? Yes. Now, what I do here, I just look at this one. Number of A minus B is number of A minus number of A intersection B. Correct? This is equivalent to this one. And now this value, number of B minus B, A is also given here. Look at this. So take this part. Once again, what is this? Number of B minus number of A intersection B. So now one of these to get cancelled. You can say number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is my final result. So number of A union B is always equal to number of A minus plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Note, very important, if A intersection B is empty, then what is number of A union B? Yes, can you guess? It is simply these two. Correct. Number of A intersection B is empty means number of A union B is always number of A plus number of B. Now second note, what is number of A dash union B dash? It is number of complement of A intersection B. So that is number of U minus number of A intersection B. Yes. You can also remember A dash is U minus A. So for this, now third one, number of A dash intersection B dash. It is again complement of A union B by using De Morgan's law. This is number of U minus number of A union B. Yes, now the result. A, B, C are three finite sets. Then number of A union B union C equal to number of A plus number of B union C minus number of A intersection B union C. That can also be written simply. What I have done, I just applied this rule, first set, and these two I have considered as one set. Okay, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B, like that. Okay, now just expansion. You know that number of B union C is again this one. You can write this number of B, number of this one. Once again I can go with this part. You know the distributive property also. Yes, we can go with this number of B, number of C minus number of B intersection C minus this is nothing but A intersection B union A intersection C. So number of A intersection B union A intersection C. Still it is union form. Now I can extend once again this one as using this result. This can be written like this part. What is this? this is number of A intersection B, number of A intersection C minus number of this one. Yes, I hope you can understand. B number of C minus number of B intersection C, and this is minus number of A intersection B plus this one, and finally this is my A intersection B intersection A intersection C. This one can be written as, here A is common, I write only one time, A intersection B intersection C. So final result, number of A union B union C is number of A plus number of B minus number of B intersection C, and number of A intersection B, number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Remember this result. Here one additional bracket has come. Either you can remove that bracket also, that no issue at all. You just remove this one. There is no any issue at all. Only intersection, A intersection. This part is enough for us. So number of A plus number of B, number of C minus number of this one, and all these has written in the very simplest form. This is my final result. Okay, yes. Now we go with the next result. Note, remember here, note number of only A. Sometimes they will ask you only A. In that case, number of A minus number of A intersection B minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Second one, only B, number of B minus number of B intersection A minus B intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Third one, number of only C equal to number of C minus number of C intersection A minus number of C intersection B plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Remember, these are very important results for you. Yes, now based on this, let us we discuss some questions. Question number 1. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements, and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y has? Very simple. You should remember the data. First write the data. What are they have given? Union, this is given x union y, and the next number of x is given, that is 8. Yes, look at this, and number of y is also given 15. Correct? Yes, remember this. And now you are interested in number of x intersection y. Yes, this is what they are interested. Correct? Yeah. Now let us proceed here. You know very well the formula is this one. Correct? The formula is this: number of x union y equal to number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. So substitute all the values, then you get it as, then you get, now finally it is very simple. The final result you got it as, you can say, take this n intersection number of x intersection y equal to left side, and you get 23 minus 18, it is right. 18 to the right side, you get 5. So this is my final answer for this question. I hope you understood this very important question. Most of the time 2 marks question it is. Yes. Now look at this. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Very interesting question it is. Look at this. H denote the set of all people who can speak Hindi. Now data will be number of H equal to 250. Okay? Yes. Now E denote the set of all people who can speak English. Let us we take number of E equal to 200. Yes. Now number of number of H union E is given for us, which is 400. Union of both H and E. So you can say it is 400. Now look at this. What is number of H intersection E? They are asking here. You can find out this value very easily using the formula again. Formula is this one. H union E equal to number of H plus number of E minus number of H intersection E. This is already you have learned. And now substitute all the values. Once if I substitute the values, you get it as very simple formula like this. Find, again just go on simplify. Yes. Now It is all mathematical part. Simplify, take this part to left side and 400 to the right side, correct? Yes, you get it as 50. So number of edge intersection equal to 50. So then this is my final answer. Yes, I hope you are enjoying this. A very fantastic graphics has been made by us, and you can, hopefully you are enjoying all this. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Next question. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements and T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? Yes. Now look at the solution. See here. Data is what they have given is number of S is 21 and number of T is 32. Correct? Yes. Number of S intersection T is given for us, that is 11. Correct? And they are interested what is number of S union T. Correct? This is what they are interested here. Let us use the formula once again. By using the formula, same S union T equal to S plus T minus S intersection T. Correct? This is the formula for us. Now let us substitute the values. You get very easily the answer for this question, which is 42. Now we go for fourth question. Look at this. If x and y are two sets such that x has 40 elements, x union y has 60 elements, and x intersection y has 10 elements, how many elements does y have? Very simple. Look at this data we need first. X union y is given 60, x is 40, and number of x intersection y is given 10. What they are interested here? Number of y. Correct? Yes, this is what they are interested. Now the formula is very simple, you know very well. This is my formula here. Substitute all the values. You get, this is the answer for our question now. Look at this number of y, which is equal to 60 plus 30, and you get, take this 30 to the left side. Finally number of y, so you get number of y is 30. That's it. This is our answer. Simply only the mathematical part. Understand the problem and write the problem properly. You can write the data. See how we are solving here. Same thing you have to do it. The next question. X and y are two sets such that x and y has a 50 elements and x has a 28 elements and y has a 32 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? So solution, look at this. Number of x intersection union y is, x union y is 50. It is given for us. Look at this. Next, number of x is equal to 28, and that is also given for us. Now I go for number of y equal to 32. That is also given for us. Yeah. And next, number of x intersection y's they are interested. Correct? Let us we go with the formula. Same formula. We are solving many problems on that. Even though video goes lengthy, but we are interested, you will get a better idea about this. Okay. Yes, substitute all the values here. You get finally, no, look at this. Finally I will take, yes, then take x intersection y to the left side, then 50 to the right side. 60 minus 50 is 10. So you get the answer for this question. Look at this. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Maths or physics it is, means, or it is given, means either they are M or P it is. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? Very simple. First write the data. M denote the set of teachers who teach mathematics. Let us say number of M is 12. Correct? And what is number of P here? P denote the set of teachers who teach physics. So now I say number of M union P is also given for us. What is that? It is 20. Correct? Who teach maths or physics it is. Now let us we go with number of M intersection P is also given. It is 4. Correct? So they are interested. What is number of P? Let's go. See, number of M union P equal to number of M, number of P minus number of M intersection P. This is the formula here. Just substitute all the values here. You want number of P here. Keeping this 12 minus 4 is 8 plus number of p. So number of p is equal to 20 minus 8. You get it is 12. Number of p equal to 12. This is the answer for it question. Yes, I hope you are enjoying this. Next question. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? See, look at this. A very easy and important question it is. And just proceed. I will say C denote the set of all students who play cricket. And then next, let the datas. Number of C is equal to 24. It is given here. Yes, yeah. Next, look at this. I will say F denote the set of all students who play football. Then look at this, number of F equal to 16. Yeah, next proceed. I go for the next one. It is number of F and C intersection C union F is equal to, that is 35. So you get it as 35. Yes. Now they are interested here. It is C intersection F. So you can say it is a play of the cricket football. We want, the formula is very simple. You know this formula. Once again we are repeating, only the alphabets are changing here. Okay, substitute the values, you get all these like this. Correct? Yes, I hope you can enjoy in this one. Yes, yeah. Take this C intersection F to left, 40 minus 35, you get it as 5. So that's it, my answer is 5. Yes, next question. Question number 4. If x and y are two sets such that number of x is 17, number of y is 23, and number of x and y is 38, directly they have given the datas. There is no any such obligations to do all these things. Okay. Yes. Now I will go with x intersection y. Correct. Yes. Look at this. X union y is number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. Substitute all the values, and the next one you get very simple formula relation. You can see here number of x intersection y equal to 40 minus 38. You get it as 2. So the answer becomes 2. That's it. Yes, we go for the next question. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of these two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? So very simple data. C denote the set of all people who like coffee. I say number of C is 37 here. And the next, I will take tea. Tea is the set of all people who like tea. Then it is given number of tea is equal to 52. Number of again, either of they like, that is 70 is given for us. Correct? Yes. So they are interested. Intersection here, C intersection T. What is this? They are interested. Both how many people likes their question it is. Okay. We go for the formula. Again same formula. There is no issue at all the formula with this. Yes, substitute all the values, and then you get a finally substituting this C intersection T. I will take later on left side and substitute all the simplification part you have to do here. 89 minus 70, you get 19. This is my final answer. Yes, you enjoyed this one. Yes, next question. See, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis? How many people like tennis only and not cricket? Tennis only and not cricket. Very fantastic question it is. Write the data. C denote the set of all people who like cricket. And the next one, number of C equal to 40. T denote the number of people who like the cricket tennis. So that is number of C union T is given for us 65. And the next is C intersection T is also given, that is 10. Understand what they have given the datas. Take the datas properly. Then number of T equal to number of T minus C. Yes, this is they are interested. Correct? First, yeah. Now let us say number of C union T equal to number of C plus number of T minus number of C intersection T. Correct? What they are interested, two values they are interested here. One is number of T minus C. Substitute all the values here. Correct? We get a very simple result. 65 minus 30 equal to number of t, and number of t becomes 35. We want number of t minus c now. Correct? Now let us find number of t minus c. What is this? Number of t minus c equal to it is nothing but number of t minus number of t intersection c, or c intersection t. This is the formula we have studied. Only t it is. Only t. Okay? Yes, 35 minus it is 10, so you get 25. This is my answer. Yes, I hope you are enjoying all this. Yes. Yes. Next problem. Question number next. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speak both French and Spanish. How many speak at least one of these two languages? So then solution is data. Let F denote the set of all who speak French. This is 50. And let S denote the set of all who speak Spanish. We can say number of S is 20. And then let us we say number of F intersection S equal to 10. Correct? Yeah. Now I will go with the number of F union S, that is equal to, what is the answer they are expecting? Using the formula, the same one, once again they repeat the formula. You have this, just alphabets are different, you know this result, correct? Next, 50, 20 minus 10. So you get it as 60, correct? So the answer is number of F union S is equal to 60. Correct? Yes, next question. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports, how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? Yes, now first we write the data like this. F, B and C denote the set of men who received medals in football, basketball and cricket. Yes, now let us read the data. Number of F, that is football, is 38, and number of B, it is 15. Number of C is 20, and now number of F union B union C is equal to 58. And the next one, it is number of F intersection B intersection C is 3. And then look at this, very beautifully I have designed here. One is cricket ball, football, and the next one, correct? Yes, see here, basketball and everything has been done here. Basketball, all these special balls are taken here. Let A denote the number of men who got medals in football and basketball only. Yes, see here, this is medals in both. Now B denote the number of medals men who got medals football and cricket. Football and this one. Correct. Now look at this. Let C denote the number of men who got medals in basketball and cricket. I say it is this value is C. And now what I do, I D denote the number of men who got the medals in all the 3. This portion, it is common for all the 3. Yes. Yeah. Now look at this. Number of F union B union C equal to, you know the formula, this one, correct? Yeah. Substitute the values. All the datas what you have here, this one in previous case we got this. Now, yeah, what I have to do here is substitute all the values. F union B union C is 58 equal to 38. This is given, this is given. all these intersections are not known to me, but only this is I know. Correct? So what I can do, substitute all these. Finally we get a plus c plus b minus 3d plus c, which is equal to 58. Correct? 3 into 3 plus c. Yes, intersection of all the three is given. Yes, finally we got, take this to left side and this 58 to the right side. We can say that 73 minus 58 minus 9 plus 3. You get the answer as 9 men received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. So that means that exactly 2 means football, basketball, or else football, cricket, or else cricket and basket. Any of the two it is. Yes, next question. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to this chemical C1, 50 to the chemical C2, and 30 to both C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2, chemical C2 but not C1, chemical C1 but no or C2. Look at this. You denote the universal set consisting of individuals suffering from the skin disorder. A denote the set of individuals exposed to the chemical C1. B denote the set of individuals exposed to the chemical C2. Okay. Now look at this. Number of U equal to, that is 200 given for us. And number of A equal to, which is given 120. And number of B is equal to, which is given, number of B is 50. And the next, number of A intersection B is given for us is 30. So now C1 but not C2. They are asking about number of A minus B. You know very well. Number of A minus number of A intersection B. That means A but not B it is. Correct? That is number of A minus B equal to 120 minus 30 equal to 90. That, and second question, number of C2 but not C1. So that is number of B minus number of this one. 50 minus 30. So C1 or C2, A union B I need to find. Look, remember the formula of this one. Then finally get, this is the answer for this question. It's a very simple question but very important.